I'm showing you the best websites to quickly find and download any free Procreate brush you can think of within seconds of searching. In fact, these are the first places you should be checking, but if you're watching this, you likely haven't heard of a single one, which is a real shame, since it's how I find great brushes like these all the time. That's why in this video, you'll not only learn where to go, but also how to find deleted brushes, recreations from other software, and my personal favourite, a page that exclusively lists free brushes. And to prove to you how easy these sites are to use, I'll show you in real time as I use them to try find each of these brushes in under 60 seconds. Now this one may seem obvious at first, but I'd say it's probably one of the most underrated on our list. So much so that even I, a long-time Procreate user of 5 years, didn't know it existed until about 8 months ago. And it's the absolute goldmine of brushes. Did you know that Procreate themselves have their own dedicated form for free resources? If you did, wait up, you'll still want to see the recommended threads section. Anyway, to access it, you just need to go to folio.procreate.com, then click discussions and then resources. Now you may have noticed a slight problem already, but don't worry, there's a super easy workaround. Unfortunately, there isn't a built-in search function, however, all you need to do is just Google the brush you want and put Procreate Folio at the end of it. Let's try that now with the brushes from our list. Alright, so let's try and first find a pen or a pencil brush. This should be the easiest one to find. Start pen brush Procreate Folio. Free realistic point pen. Free realistic ballpoint pen brush. Apparently I don't like saying that. Let's see then. So that is about 19 seconds, about 20 odd seconds, and we've got 2. If we add on to that, let's see, pencil brush. Let's restart that again. Pencil brush. Free pencil brush set. Whoa, you guys are hearing all my mistakes now. Okay, and that's about 30. Oh, just under 30 seconds. Okay, that's not bad. Try that again. Go outline brush Procreate Folio. Free outline brushes with no color request. Interesting. Edge outline brush. Let's try these. Oh. Okay, these are crunchy. These are interesting one. And it stays the same shape. Nearly. Okay. Okay, well, yeah, that's about 23 seconds for that one. Alright. Glitter. Brush. Procreate. Folio. And I could also, probably should be saying free. Discussions. Let's see. Actually, this might be my downfall. Resources. Okay, these are free. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. Okay. That is about 20 seconds again. Okay, let's try and find a blending brush. Blending brush Procreate Folio. Let's see. Oop. Blending with spider pool, fiber, Okay. What blushes do you use for blending? Okay. Coco's blending brush. That sounds promising. Set specifically for blending. Okay, someone's not happy. Quite a few blender brushes main thread. That's going to take a while. There we go. Okay, that person that I can't pronounce the name of. Coco's. Oh wow. Okay. Yeah. And let's see. Just double check it's not a dead link. Right, about 50 odd seconds. Here we go, we found one. Now the real test here is going to be if we can find the fated foot stamp brush. We can find the fated foot stamp brush. Let's go, okay. Fingers crossed. Let's see. Foot stamp brush. Procreate Folio. Free. Okay. Oh, okay, not a good sign. Let's remove free. Stamp brushes. I can't speak English. Brush pack with 300 brushes. We'll scroll through there. Let's see. Foot Procreate. We're not looking for Etsy. Wow. Okay. A newbie. Show results with foot. That would help. 300 brushes. Okay. That. Hand and footprints brushes. Well, that's almost... We're running out of time, but that's almost... what we're looking for, but not what I had in mind. But okay. Right. We have footprints brushes somewhere in here. Let's control find. Foot. Hello? Okay, well, we've just gone over it because I couldn't, do that. So 20 hand and footprints brushes. Okay. Now for top threads, I would recommend this thread on how to get Clip Studio Paint-esque blending. I'll also have my own CSP style brushes linked in the description. The next thread I'd recommend is one for all deleted brushes. Anything that's been removed in a previous update will be here for you to access. The next is a whole bunch of free brushes made by this person, and I'll also link my own free brushes for you to check out. If you still can't quite find that very specific brush you're looking for, then this next site is perfect for you, especially if you only have an image or desired effect to go off of. So, if you're looking for an active community that's constantly posting and searching for great brushes, you'll need to check out the Procreate Brushes subreddit. Hear me out, everyone there is super friendly, and chances are you're not the only person who can't find XYZ brush. Even if you don't want to make an account, you can always check the comments for whatever catches your eye, or search to see what matching brushes other people have already posted. There's even a handy list by Starry Ninja that streamlines this whole process. Note that while a few of the resources are for Photoshop, you can still import .avr brush files into Procreate. Now let's see what we can find for our categories. Timer on, pen. Just search pen. Realistic G pen. Okay. Lots of gel pens. Okay. Pencil. Let's see. Pen. Okay, let's just try pen. Pen brush. I have a feeling this is not free, so let's go pen. Free. Right. Realistic G pen. Okay, we've got gel pens. Technically. Inker is dry brush, Jing sketch, so that is a fair point. Now, I'm pretty sure, yes. Okay, that's not a free one. And, wow, I did not expect to fail, this. Well, in that case, let's see if we can find a pencil brush, surely. Okay, pencil. Free. Surely. Some exist. That's mine. That is not free. We're setting to make it look like this. Try that. Free pencil brush for Photoshop and Procreate. Oh wow, okay. This one may have surprisingly been easier. Okay, we did not fail that one. That's about, again, 30-ish seconds. About 30 seconds. Okay. Let's try outline free. Outline free. Good pen, outline brush, and Procreate for webtoons. That's probably just going to be a tutorial. Outline effect, okay. Stylus edge, color pen. I think I've seen this thread actually. Dual color outline brush, that's one this is cheating, technically, because this is one I have suggested for, because I have one for that, but if we find one, okay, hold up, okay, even without cheating, yes, oh wow, okay, that's not free, okay, that is no longer free. Free outline brushes, those are not free, okay. Okay, that's a tutorial. More tutorials. Wow, okay. You would assume this would be the easiest one to find. Okay. Interesting, okay. Let's try that. We're over... Wow. Great brushes like these all the time. Surely. Blending. Free. Let's try to find a free blending brush. Okay, interesting. Coloring brush with blending brush. Try that. Default gouache, any brushes. This, okay, this is what I've posted about, again, not mine, but these are painting technically. I'm looking for maybe just a blending brush if I can. Blending brush, okay. Let's see, simple flat edge brush. Okay, that could work. Yeah, interesting. Okay, that seems to be what we're wanting. Let's open these. Oh, time. Getting there. Paint and blend. Fake blend brush. Another one. Okay. Okay, this might be our best bet. Paint and blend. Okay. Well, I'm gonna count that, I guess, because it is a hard brush to make, but I was just looking for a smudge brush. Wow, this is proving more difficult than I thought. Now, let's see. I don't have much faith in this one, but let's try foot stamp. And I'm very curious if it's here. Oh. Guys, I don't think that's a good sign. Foot. Wobbly one, no. Huh. Okay, well that, 20 seconds, we can't find it. That is so sad. It would have been really funny if it pulled through. Moving on to the third and not final site. This is possibly my new favourite on this list, and you'll quickly see why. This is liberium.digital, a website dedicated to listing only free Procreate brushes. All you need to do is select the brush you want, click download, and then you'll be taken to the Gumroad listing, meaning you'll never have to put up with its search feature ever again. And speaking of search features, you can easily look up either a keyword of the brush or an artist that you're looking for and browse through listings that way. There isn't any one resource or page for me to recommend here, so instead, if you'd like me to showcase a bunch of the best free brushes I can find, feel free to like this video so I know to make more. But first, you know the drill, just one more test. Start the timer, let's go outline. I already know, oh, let's clear that. I already know mine's going to be here, but I would like to find others. Outline. There we go, okay, free outline brush. Oh wow, that looks really professional. Outline brushes, okay. Easy. Free outline brush, ghost paper, oh, they're a good channel. And this just looks like the exact kind of classic one you'd want. Okay, and that's about 23 seconds. Let's then see what we can find for a glitter. Let's start the timer. Okay, I need to clear these clearly before I do that, and then if I don't fumble, glitter. Freehand star, that's mine. Ooh, okay. That's pretty. I really want to find like a chunky, actual shiny glitter, because I think that's what most people are looking for. Okay, caterpillar glitter, ooh. Interesting. Okay, I think these three will count. Okay, close. Why is my ad blocker not working? Oh, okay. Okay, this is trial, but that's got glittery stars. Oh wow, those are so pretty. Okay, and yeah, okay. So it's about 40 seconds and we found 3 of them. That's pretty good. Let's see then. Start the timer. Blend. Let's get rid of that. There is a... Okay, no, never mind. I was going to say there's a way to clean them around, but no. Okay, free blending and rendering brush. Okay. Blending brush. Okay, that's that. I think this is what we're looking for. Yep. Basic blur. One brush. Okay. Awesome. Okay, 21 seconds, roughly. Fingers crossed, this is probably the one I'm most hopeful about. Right. On the clock, foot, stamp. Please. No, okay, foot. Surely. Surely someone's released. Or Procreate. No. Wow. You know, with all the... Okay, that's 15 seconds fail. Bruh. Finally, now that you've watched all the way to the end, I have a special 4th place to share as thanks. Along with links to all of the sites and brushes I've shared so far, at the very bottom of the description is a secret page that'll allow you to get 94 experimental paintbrushes completely for free. But there's only 50 copies available, so make sure you don't miss out. And when you're done, YouTube thinks you'll like this video here.